don't have a down payment, can I work with a gap investor? Can I use other people's money?
Yes. So if you don't have a down payment personally, you don't have the money in your own piggy bank, you have to find a gap investor. That gap investor could be, mom, dad, brother, sister, best friend, cousin, neighbor, co-worker. It doesn't matter where you get that money. Ultimately, there's a process for using someone else's money. So what we do is we walk you through the process. We don't want to have $100,000 just magically land in your bank account. That could be problematic. But again, you can use other people's money. If you're looking for gap funding, we do have gap funding sources. We are a gap funder as well. And again, there's a process for doing that. So if you need gap, pick up the phone, call us, email us. We'll help you out.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions, and who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.